Hi, welcome to the Focused Brains channel. Today we are doing 25 more MCQ question of chapter Agriculture. Stay tuned with us for more MCQ questions. For now, let's get started.
Important crops like paddy, maize, jowar, bajra, etc. are grown during which of the following season? Option C, monsoon. Os, aman and boro are types of which crop? Option B, paddy. Which is the main food crop in north and northwestern part of the country? Option A, wheat. What is the ideal condition required for the growth of wheat? Option D, all the above. What are the two important wheat growing zones in India? Option A, Ganga Satluj Plains in northwest and black soil region of the Deccan. Identify the millets crops. Option C, Jowar, Bajra, Ragi. Choose the correct wheat producing states. Option B, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh. A type of millet rich in iron, calcium and other micronutrients and roughage is Option C, Jowar. Millets are also called Option A, chorus grains. Identify jowar producing states. Option D, all of these. Major maize producing state. Option D, Karnataka. Which of the following crop is used both as a food and as a fodder? Option D, maize. Which is the right condition for the growth of maize? Option A, temperature between 21 degrees centigrade to 27 degrees centigrade and old alluvial soil. Name the rain-fed millet crop mostly grown in the moist area which hardly needs irrigation. Option C, jowar. Match which soils are best for growing bajra, ragi, maize. For bajra, the right option is B. For ragi, the right option is C. And for maize, the right option is A. India is the largest producer as well as the consumer of dash in the world. Option C, pulses. Which of the following is a major source of protein in a vegetarian diet? Option C, pulses. Which one of the following is not true for pulses? Option D, pulses need moisture and not survive in dry conditions. Which is the ideal condition for the growth of sugar cane? Option D, all of these. What percent of our cropped area is covered by oil seed? Option B, 12. Among pulses, which pulses does not help in restoring soil fertility by fixing nitrogen from the air? Option A, tur. Name a kharif crop which account for about half of the major oilseeds produced in the country. Option A. Groundnut. Who initially introduced tea in India? Option C. British. For which beverage crop India is known for its good quality? Option B. Coffee. Coffee cultivation was first introduced in Option D. Baba Budan Hills.